Namaskar. Hi, I am Suresh Kaushal speaking from India. I am addressing to all my Western clients, Western friends, and I am appearing on behalf of Navgraha Manthan. This is our YouTube channel. In this channel, we cover normally only Vedic astrology, a system thousands of years old, based upon movement of nine celestial bodies, nine stars. The meaning of Navgraha itself means nine stars. Manthan means churning of these stars, analysis of these stars, and based upon this analysis, we not only cover human life but we cover various nations also, various countries also, effect on nations of these stars. Today I am covering a very important and burning issue which is threatening the very existence of human life on planet Earth. What's that? I'm talking to nothing but coronavirus. The effects of coronavirus are just threatening, moving ahead very viciously. Effects of this star are covering almost 200 countries among the world. Among all the countries which are very severely affected by this virus are the countries I am going to cover are US, UK, Italy, France, Spain, China, and of course India. One by one I am going to discuss these countries. First country I am taking on is China, because here was the first leakage or first appearance of this virus, coronavirus. It is said the first casualty was around third week of December 2019. There was an eclipse on 26th of December 2019. In our Vedic system, the solar eclipse which appeared on 26th of December is supposed to be very bad in giving adverse results, and more so when so many other stars are involved in the eclipse. It is said, as per Hindu astrology, the effect of solar eclipse is felt up to almost 6 months. So it appeared on 26 December, likely to affect entire humanity up to 26 of June 2020. Every year 4 eclipses normally take place, but this eclipse was very severe in giving these results, and perhaps one of the reasons the severity of this coronavirus casualty is due to this eclipse also. Of course, there are other stars which appeared one after other adversely, particularly one star which was very badly hit was star Sun. As per Hindu system, Sun has been under very negative aspect of Rahu or Saturn almost from January onwards. But the major effect is change of Saturn 24th of January 2020 and this into star Capricorn, into Nakshatra Capricorn, and it is likely to stay here till 23rd of January 2023. This change of Saturn has been very adverse for Europe and US. China started suffering from December itself, but China, as per its own horoscope, was lucky and is virtually coming out of impact of this severe coronavirus. If first I consider China, date of birth of China is taken as 21 September 1949. Place is Beijing. This date is being taken because Mao Zedong was the person who declared independence or appearance of Communist Party of China on this date. China, as per Hindu system, is born in Mithuna Lagna, Singha Rashi, Important thing is Saturn and Moon are together in Singha Rashi, that is sign Leo. Another important aspect is star Mars is in sign Cancer, which is called debilitated sign for Mars. Incidentally, Moon and Mars in Cancer sign are these are two major stars which have caused so much havoc in China. Because sign Cancer in Hindu astrology is considered to control lungs and chest cavity, which includes heart also. Whereas Moon is ruler of sign Cancer. Sign Cancer. Other sign which is very important from coronavirus point of view is sign Gemini. Gemini in time man controls respiratory cord. Movement of star Rahu over this sign is very important, very important. And this sign, movement of this star is from 7th of March 2019 to 23rd of September 2020. Last date of coronavirus on the planet Earth is likely to be a week before 23rd September. And either due to weather and climatic changes or because of you can say some vaccine which is discovered, which is invented and which is put in use, and it starts hitting coronavirus all across globe among all the countries. So 23rd, 22nd September is the last day. China was running one very important period from 2nd of December 2019 to 11th of April 2020. In this period, basically, coronavirus got hitting this country very vigorously. After 11th of April, China is mostly out of this. China has declared its city Wuhan open. It was under lockdown, has been opened up to everything, and entire Chinese country, entire nation is not under lockdown anymore. But China cannot sit peacefully because though star Rahu will be changing around 27th of September, 23rd of September, yet in China's own horoscope, from 11th April 2020 to 17th March 2021 is a very restless piece of almost you can say country is not at peace. Country's economy and country's governance is vigorously disturbed. China will feel threatened with recurrence or reappearance of virus, though it is not likely to happen. But China will going through a very restless period till 17th of March 2021. Now I am going to speak about another country. That country is Spain. Spain's date of birth is 12th of October 1906. As per Hindu system, is born under Mithuna Lagna, that is Gemini Lagna, and Cancer sign, that is Karka Rashi. Now Lagna and Rashi, as I told you just now, both control respiratory cord as well as lungs. From 30th July 2017 to 3rd of August 2020, it is going through a certain period. Certain period, sub-period is certain. Important date for this country for coming out of this vicious cycle of impact is 23rd April. Though minor effect of this coronavirus will be felt up to January 2022 at political level, at economic level, and fear surfaces and difficulties the nation has felt. Spain has been a beautiful country, but as per Hindu system, though it is born in Mithuna Lagna, by name it is Kumbh Rashi also. Considering both Hindu system as well as the Kumbh Rashi I am talking about, both as per his birth sign or birth date 12th October 1906 or by name Kumbh Rashi, impact will be felt up to 2023, though all improvement dates will start from 23rd of April 2020. But let me tell you, some impact of corona cycle will be felt right up to almost every country. There are few time periods. One is 13th June to 8th of August. This is the period in which some traces of coronavirus will be felt in various countries of the world. That is important. And last date of coronavirus of planet Earth, it will lose its existence. It will be finished from face of Earth before or around 22nd of September. Very importantly, between 15 August to 15 September. In this period, movement of sun from 30th of April to August is very favorable, hopeful, and poised for entire world. Namaskar. Thank you very much.